Hey beautiful people, this is Brandon with Brandon Reviews. Today we're going to be talking about September's package for Menlo House. Menlo House is a subscription service that sends you a package of clothing, you know, for those guys like me that don't like to go shopping, or you just feel that your personal preference and style is a little boring. So what I do is I put that responsibility on someone else and I pay for a subscription service. In this situation, Menlo House has been around since 2002, and they started off with 5'4", which is actually the brand that I'm currently wearing. And this was actually a package that I received back in 2018 when I was with them originally. So I decided to come back. I felt it was time, and this is actually the first time that I'm going to be doing a review of their package. I have to admit that I already kind of went in there a little bit and took a peek. And just so that you know, it's $60 a month, and you'll get at least 2 items unless they want to throw a little something extra in there for you. In this situation, with me coming back, they did add something in there that they wouldn't normally add in there. So without further ado, let's go ahead and get at it. Let's see what we got here. All right, so it looks like we got a Melrose Place t-shirt, a Melrose Place hoodie, and it looks to be some shoes. Okay, so just talking about some of the brands that Menlo House has under their umbrella. The first one, of course, is their flagship, which is 5'4". They also have New Republic. And I guess since I've been gone, they've added Grand Running Club as well as Melrose Place. So those are 2 new brands that they have under their umbrella. And I must say that the results have always been pretty good, so I can't complain very much. Let's see what these shoes are looking like. Okay, so, all right, here are the shoes. They're I guess, what is it called? A powder white, okay. Powder white shoe, which has a gum sole. Let's go ahead and take a look at the hoodie. Okay, so this is a navy blue hoodie. And let's see here. All right, looks like it's gonna be a pretty good fit. I wish they would have sent some sweatpants with this or something. This seems like it would have been really, really nice to go that route with it. All right, let's see what this t-shirt is looking like. Okay, just a plain white tee, but you know, it's not just like an undershirt white tee, so it's a little bit thicker quality. And yeah, this looks like this is gonna be a good fit for me. So the things that I look for when I get clothes is, of course, gonna be the fit. I'm not the smallest guy on the planet. I can't say that I'm in the best shape, absolutely, that I could be in. But, you know, as a taller, bigger guy, I just want something that I feel comfortable in, and I'm not over here busting out of the seams, which I am actually busting out of this shirt just a little bit. But, you know, it's just something to keep in consideration, the fit of the clothes and things of that nature. Now, I continued the subscription because I remembered I love the jeans that 5'4" had. I have probably about 5 pair of their jeans, and you know, if you pay attention to their warehouse sales and stuff that they have on clearance, they usually have some really, really great prices on jeans. They may not have them in your size all the time, but you can get lucky here and there. And I got a bunch of different pair of jeans that weren't included in my packages. A lot of times they were only like 20, 25 bucks. And the quality of the jean is like pretty solid. I mean, they've always been pretty solid. So I think this is the second pair of shoes. You know, I don't really wear white shoes that much, but we'll figure it out and find a place for it. The last pair of shoes they sent me were all white, and I can definitely say that I probably wore them twice. I don't know if it's just that, you know, seeing them so white and bright, I just wasn't feeling inclined to wear them and dirty them up. I don't know. Just something about white shoes that just kind of makes you just want to just look at them and not actually wear them. So with this package, the hoodie retails for $73. The white t-shirt retails for $28. And surprisingly, the shoes are only $37. These are the sale prices, so this package is worth $138. I paid 60 bucks. I mean, this is really a steal at the end of the day. You know, you can't really complain because they give you so much more than what you're paying for. All right, so I went on ahead and tried on the shoes and the t-shirt. I have to say, the shoes are starting to grow on me a little bit. I like them a lot more than I would have anticipated. They're really comfortable, and outside of just trying to keep them clean, I think these, you could probably end up putting them in the washing machine. But I really like the t-shirt, it's very comfortable. I could see myself literally going out right now in exactly what I have on. So I feel very comfortable. So here's a look. Boom, boom. So it's not exactly cold enough just yet here in Los Angeles for me to be sporting a hoodie, but when it does get a little on the colder side, I definitely will be throwing this on. This is really comfortable. I think the fit is really good. I think this whole look, you know, luckily I had my own jeans. I didn't get a pair of jeans in the package, but you know, I could definitely see myself wearing this just any day of the week. Like the sweatshirt, the hoodie is really, really nice. So and I just want to let you all know, if you like this review, please like, subscribe, and even share this review with anyone you think will be able to take advantage of it. Until next time, this is Brandon with Brandon Reviews. Thank you.